Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you looking to upgrade your gaming PC setup in 2023? The best gaming PCs can cost thousands of dollars and require the best components, but one of the most overlooked parts is the case. The best gaming PC cases are often not given enough attention, yet they play an important role in keeping your expensive hardware safe from dust and damage. In this video, we'll be looking at the best gaming PC cases of 2023 to help you make an informed decision when it comes to protecting your investments. So if you're in the market for a new PC case, stay tuned and let's get started. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Moreval ATX PC Gaming Case. The Moreval ATX PC Gaming Case is definitely worth the money. The best feature of this case is its diamond-shaped mesh front panel, which provides optimal cooling performance. It also has a tempered glass side panel, so it's easy to install the internal PC components with all the ports and buttons fully accessible in one area. With 4 pre-installed RGB 120mm case fans, this case not only provides excellent airflow but also gives off dazzling lighting effects. And the best thing is that it can fit almost all ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards up to 300mm in length with 155mm cooling height for the CPU and 160mm for the PSU. All in all, this best gaming PC case is a great value for money with its top-notch features and cost-effective price point. Highly recommended. Number 4, Musetex ATX PC Case. The Musetex ATX PC Case pre-installed 6 PCS 120mm ARGB fans is definitely one of the best gaming PC cases available on the market. It looks great with its stylish tempered glass design and shows off your PC components and ARGB lighting perfectly. The best part about this case is that it comes pre-installed with 6 ARGB fans, more than most PC cases on the market. These powerful fans come in 16.8M colors and are motherboard SYNC with the Musetex dedicated ARGB control board that is pre-installed in the case for added convenience. You can choose from 19 lighting modes to light up your gaming room, plus it has an impressive amount of airflow from the anti-vortex vanes on the fans. In terms of practicality, this PC case also has a powerful I/O panel with 1 USB 3.0 high-speed port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HD audio and microphone ports, so you don't have to worry about having enough ports for all your gaming accessories. The best part is that the mid-tower case can easily accommodate different players' components needs, so you don't have to worry about having too little or too much space. Overall, I would highly recommend the Musetex ATX PC Case pre-installed 6 PCS 120mm ARGB fans to anyone looking for the best gaming PC case. It looks great, has plenty of power and features to suit all your gaming needs, and is highly durable, so you know it will last a long time. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line gaming PC case, then this is definitely worth considering. Number 3, Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case is a great choice for gaming PCs. The case has a stylish tempered glass design that ensures all the components of your PC are on display, and with its customizable RGB lighting, you can tailor the look of your system to best suit your tastes. The best feature of this case is definitely the included rapid root cable management system. This makes it very easy and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with all the cables neatly routed while still allowing plenty of room to work in. The fans that come with this case are also great. They are Corsair 120mm Air Guide RGB fans with anti-vortex vanes for enhanced cooling, and each one is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs to customize the lighting of your PC. The icing on the cake is the included iCUE lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software, so you can fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans. In conclusion, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case is a great choice if you're looking for a best gaming PC case that looks good, is easy to assemble, provides ample cooling and has customizable lighting. Highly recommended. Number 2, Corsair Carbide Series Spec Delta RGB Mid-Tower ATX Gaming Case. The Corsair Carbide Series Spec Delta RGB Mid-Tower ATX Gaming Case is a great choice for anyone looking to build their best gaming PC. It features a contemporary angular design, complete with 3 RGB LED fans and a frameless tempered glass side panel window that provides an eye-catching view of your PC's interior. The case's direct airflow path layout ensures massive airflow to keep your system cool, while the full-length PSU cover hides your cables and power supply out of sight. In addition to its sleek design, this gaming case also comes with a multitude of features that make it incredibly easy and convenient to use. The Easy Cable Routing system allows you to quickly and easily route your cables to their desired location, while the dust filters allow for easy maintenance of your PC. It also comes with plenty of space for all of your components, as well as additional fan and radiator support. Overall, the Corsair Carbide Series Spec Delta RGB Mid-Tower ATX gaming case is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build their best gaming PC. Its modern design and powerful cooling system will help you get the best performance out of your components, while its ease of use and additional features make setup a breeze. If you're in the market for a great gaming case, this is definitely worth considering. Number 1 Corsair iCUE E220T RGB Airflow Smart Case. The Corsair iCUE E220T RGB Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower Smart Case is the best gaming PC case to add a powerful cooling system and a striking look to your rig. The steel grille front panel allows for optimal air intake, while the 3 included SP120 RGB Pro fans contain 24 individually addressable LEDs around the hub to shine through the tempered glass side panel. The lighting node core makes it easy to control your RGB lighting with the Corsair iCUE software. The solid steel construction and front plate ensure sturdy and resilient durability, while the edge-to-edge tempered glass window allows you to showcase your PC's components and RGB lighting. With support for compatible Corsair liquid coolers such as the H55, H60, H75, H80i, H90, H100i, H105, H110i and the H115i, cooling your system is improved even further. The Corsair iCUE E220T RGB Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower Smart Case offers best-in-class performance and helps you achieve the best gaming experience. The included advanced cooling options make it a great choice for anyone wanting to build a powerful gaming rig with impressive lighting effects. With its sturdy construction and stylish front panel, this is an excellent case for any enthusiast that wants to take their gaming experience to the next level.